Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will be discussing about this project. The video of this project is already available on my channel, in which Raspberry Pi Pico is counting from 0 to 99. In this project, I have used two segment displays for displaying the unit and tens value. You can see in this video that the Raspberry starts from 0 and it starts to count till 99. So again after 99 it's again displays 00. It keeps on looping from 0 to 99. In this video I will be discussing its code and a little bit circuitry, that how I have connected Raspberry Pi Pico with this 7 segment displays. So this is the code in which I have used a compiler Thony, and I have written this code in MicroPython. And here this is I have declared h as 1. H means for high, and I have placed its value as 1. L for low, and I have given its value 0, and number is equal to 0 to start the counting from 0, and it will keep on increasing. We will discuss it later in this code. I have imported this module machine in order to come interact with the microcontroller, and I have imported another module utime for adding delay in my code. So these are for segment 1, and we have used two segments. This is segment 1, this is segment 2. I have used two 7 segments, and the pins of 7 segment, the A1 of 7 segment, or A is connected to pin 0 of Raspberry Pi, and I have declared this pin as pin out. Similarly, Raspberry Pi Pico pin 1 is connected to B of 7 segment, and I have also declared is as pin out. So 0 to 6 pin are declared as pin out, and they are connected to A, B, C, D, E, F, G of the 7 segment. The 7 segment are numbered in such a way that these actually the 7 segment consists of LEDs. This is one A LED, B LED, C LED, D, E, F, and G LED. This one. So the pins are connected such that 0 of Raspberry Pi is connected to A, and 1 of Raspberry Pi is connected to B. Similarly, 2 to C, 3 to D, 4 to E, 5 to F, and 6 to G. These are the pins used for segment 1. Similarly, the Raspberry Pi Pico pins 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 are declared as pin outs and are connected to A, B, C, D, E, F, G of the other 7 segment display. This is segment 1, this is segment 2. Further, I have declared an array in which I have made as 0. For 0, I have made characters H, 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 means these H are 1, 1, and L is 0. This means that A, B, C, D, E, F segments are on, means they will light up, while this one segment, the middle one segment, will not light up, G. So it will display as 0. This A is high, B high, C high, D high, E high, and F high. This will make 0. Similarly, for 1, I have to turn on B and C while keeping the rest of the segments as off. Similarly, for 2, A, B, G, E, D will be on while F and C will be off. For 3, F and E will be off, remaining will be on. For displaying 4, I will switch off A, E, and D while remaining LEDs will be on. Similarly, for 5, this is 6, 7, 8, and 9. What actually is happening, whatever the digit you want to display, the related segments will be switched on while keeping the other segments switched off. So this is I have done. For displaying 0, the related segments are high, while which do not add up making 0, that is switched off. Similarly for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have declared these 9 arrays for displaying digit on a single 7 segment. This is the function that I made, set digit segments, in which digit it will take at which digit at ones or tens place I have to show the segment. For value, the value I want to show on the segment. What will do it? Whatever the value is passed on into this function, it will go in I, and this is a loop. And when this loop will run, what it will check first, it will check what is the digit value. It's ones or tens. If it is ones, then it will switch on pins of 2. I have pins of 2, segment 2, and if it tens value, it will switch on pins of 1. This is segment 1. So this loop will keep on checking, and it will switch on all the related whatever the value I have passed on, that segments will be switched on by in this function. Further, I have defined a function set display digits, in which I will be counting whatever the number is passed. I will convert what it has the unit value and what it has the tens value. For counting unit value, I will take modulus with the 10. It will give us unit value, and for counting finding the tens value, I will divide it by 10 and I will get the tens value. So individually I have passed set digit segment once. Once means that the unit value will be passed at once. So that digit it will be once, at value the unit value is passed and the related segment will displace that value. Similarly for tens value, I have calculated this tens value here. It will pass into this function. It will go to this at value. The tens value will come, and at digit it will say tens digit, and this if statement will run, thus displaying the tens digit at the tens place. So this is how a number is given. Its modulus is taken for unit value, division by 10 for tens value, and passed on to these functions individually, and individually they will display the digits. The next function I have made is a clear function, in which every pin is given a high. You can also give it a low value to switch on. Either you can show it 0 0. I have actually shown 0 0. Or all the segments are displayed. It depends upon you how you set the clear function. So the next is while true. The cursor first of all comes here, and when it comes here, it will first call a set display digit number I have already declared equal to 0 at the start of my code. So when the number is equal to 0, it will pass on here. This will go to this. It will take modulus with number, and it will be 0. It will divide by 10. It will be 0. So ones and tens place both have 0 and 0. So this function, when called, goes here in this function definition. So here it will display the 0 0. Again it will, the function returns from here, returns to here, and then this function again returns to this place. It will give a delay of 100 millisecond by using utime dot sleep ms 100 millisecond, and after that delay it will add 1 to the number is equal to number plus 1. After doing this, from 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, then it will check if it is 99 or the number has reached 99, then it will again do at 0 and clear all those display. And so it will, as it is 1, the number value is now 1. This if statement will not execute. So it will again move up into this function. 1 will be passed here. It will go in this function, and ones and tens it will be displayed by using this function. Again, it exit from this function to this function, and from this set digital display digit function, it will again come here, give a delay, add a number, and check if it is 99. It will keep on looping and looping until the number has reached 99. It will again check if number is equal to 99. It will set number to 0, and clear function will be executed, and again this will start from 0 to 99. As you can see in this video, it's looping from 0 to 99. So hope so you have understood the code. uh, this was all about the code for displaying 0 to 99 on a 7 segment display. Thank you for watching this video.